Hey everybody, we're live at 8:39 running a looks like long-awaited mini for Jason's Applehead Yoda. I got 10 spots here. Top 3. It looks like win spots in the main. I'm going to take that list over here, paste her in. We got 10 entries, which is good times. As you can see here, going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 or better to play. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Down to business. Steve in the top spot for our first round with number 1. Apple, whoever that may be, takes round 2. Jeff takes round 3. Steve again, round 4. And round 5. And round 6. Number 1's hot on this one. Jeff takes round 7 with number 7. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Jeff, and Josh. Mixing it up there. Here's the verification. GQXOGB is the verification code. 642. Jeff, and Josh are our winners. I am done just as the clock turns to 8:41. It would appear. Bang. 8:41, 8:41, 8:41. One last time. There's the result. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Sorry for the delay. Thanks.